Changing your plan on Skillshare is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily switch your subscription plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Skillshare website and logging into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Billing section. Click on this option to view your current plan and available options for changing it. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or confirm your billing details before the new plan takes effect. Once you've completed these steps, your Skillshare plan will be successfully changed. Enjoy exploring new classes and content.